boy. What good with it? What good with it, y'all? Man, if I got the same hoodie on, cause I recorded the same day. But even if it wasn't, mind your business. Don't be judging. You hear me? Bars. But yeah, today I'm gonna do something a little different. I was looking through my phone and it was like, bro, I gotta share this with my dog then. So, like, I was looking through my phone, man, and I saw some stuff. I'm like, dang, bro, I forgot I did them. So I'm just gonna be showing y'all like some of my favorite customs that I've done over time. Maybe the past 2 years, 2-3 years possibly. I don't even know. But I'm just gonna be showing y'all some of my favorite junts that I've done as of right now. So alright, the first one we got up. This is like a I actually just created this design. I was hinting at it like a month ago, but I actually just got it down packed like maybe 2-3 weeks ago. But man, these jumps so hard, man. These Air Force One, it's like, I don't want to say it because I don't want folks to try to copy my junk. I'm sorry, I can't give y'all everything, man. This is my design, so I don't want to give y'all this. I'm gonna be honest with you. I gotta be 100% transparent. I'm not gonna make a video on it, so please don't ask me. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. I got to get to the chicken, you know, yeah. But man, I did these on a pair of Forces and a pair of Ones, another pair of Forces. But like, I'm loving these. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm loving these joints, man. And it's my style, you know, y'all. I love having colors, popping neon and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, these fit right up my alley. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm loving these. Alright, on to the next ones. Alright, these next ones, they hold a special place in my heart. I kind of stuttered and flipped up on the word a little bit, but don't worry about it. But, this is they hold a special place because it was my first time doing this kind of theme or whatever. It's my first Dragon Ball Z theme, and I feel like I kind of knocked it out the park a little bit. Like, I was very proud of myself on this. I mean, I see some things where I could have improved on and everything, but like as a whole, these junk go crazy. Like they hard, man. They hard, especially for my first time doing it. They hard, bro. So y'all let me know, let me know, you know what I'm saying, what y'all think on, cause I might be just, you know, not tripping, cause I know them junk hard. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all thought I was stop. Alright, so these next ones, I know I did these last year, cause this was around, you know what I'm saying, boring team. These, they just different. You know what I'm saying? Like, they just different. Like, I haven't seen anybody do a design like this one. Like, especially like this color scheme. It's just different to me. So, I really like these. Then it was on one of my favorite Jordan silhouettes, the Jordan 6. Which I do not like to wear because they are so uncomfortable. But, y'all check them out, man. Let me know what y'all think of them. I'm like, yeah. Yeah, killed them, John. Murderized them, you hear me? Alright, the next one, I'm gonna show like 2 pair of shoes. Because it's like the same theme, along the same lines and everything. It's the Warhawk thing. If y'all want me to, I can do a video on how to do the little Warhawk thing. I just saw a few of them on YouTube, so I was like, I don't think it. But I know y'all gonna be like, yeah, bro, dude, we wanna see you do it. So, it's probably gonna be in the works anyway, but the first jumps I'm gonna show y'all is on some Jordan 1s. I really like these jumps. I wish I could have kept them, but you know, we can't keep them all, man. We can't have all the shoes. We got to get to the chicken. Got to get to that money. We gonna revisit that another day, cause I got to have me a pair like these. Boy, these things nasty, man. They nasty skinny, man. If y'all know what movie that is from, please put it in the comments so I can know that y'all are real ones. You know, yeah. But alright, the second pair is gonna be a pair of Air Force Ones that I did. I actually got these Air Force Ones from Plato's Closet. It was like a crazy sale they had, and it was just like, I think I got these shoes for like $12 or something like that. So I painted them up, man, and sold them. You hear me? Cause they wasn't my size. Otherwise, it would have been over. I would have kept them shoes. But yeah, nah, these hard though. What I think my favorite part about them though is like the little I ain't know what they call them, man. Like the little screws or whatever within them that I did. Like I feel like that was super detailed. It was easy to do. I can show y'all how to do it. It was easy to do, but it just made the custom pop so much. It looked like, you know what I'm saying, like they really punched in there like 3D type of junk. But like, jump hard though, bro. Jump hard. Alright, next I'm gonna be showing y'all another one of my original designs. You know, yeah, mine. Give me. Give me my flowers. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is probably one of the most, ain't no probably, I think it's like the second most watched video, this thumbnail or whatever, on my channel. The blue Louis drip junks, the ones I faded and everything. I'm finna slap them up right now. Come on. Crazy. Come on, crazy. I say come on, crazy. But yeah, what's crazy about like a lot of my designs, that like my original designs, they come to me in dreams. Like I was telling y'all in the live the other day, a lot of times I don't know what I'm gonna do to a shoe until I literally get it on the table and get my airbrush in my hand and paint and all that. Those, like my original designs, most of them come to me in dreams. Like I don't know why, I dreamt about this color. This combination. It was like the Louis in the cartoon, and I dreamt about it in red. The blue was actually an accident, cause I started painting, cause like I had knocked out the red junk, so I was working on, you know what I'm saying, getting the whole line out for my website and everything. So I was like, okay, I'm finna do a red one, I'm finna do a blue one, you know what I'm saying? So I started doing the blue one, and it wasn't the blue that I wanted at first. So it was like I just started winging it, and I started adding more colors to it, and I just was fading different blues in, and it came out amazing. I'm talking about, ooh. I mean, if y'all don't think it's amazing, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Art is subjective, so you have your opinion. But my opinion, they was stupid, crazy. You know, yeah. But nah, I'm jumping crazy. Like that was hard to me. So yeah, that's what happens. Just like the ones I just showed y'all, the Air Force Ones and ones, that came to me in a dream. It's awesome. God is good. You know, yeah. Alright, and the last one, man, these are very special to me simply because of, it's not just the design, it's just the whole situation. I did some cleats for my little brother back when he was in the 11th grade for, I believe it was his homecoming. And just the whole thing that went on, man, that's why it's so special to me. But check them out, man. It was it was kind of like, it was like just a thing amongst me and him. You know what I'm saying? Like the caution tape type of deal. You know, it's just, you know, when you step on that field, it's yellow tape. You know what I'm saying? We finna murk something. That's just how it is with us. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to put that on his feet, bless him with that one. Camera died. But yeah, man, them jumps very, very special to me, man. You know what I'm saying? So, and what's crazy is I just looked down, and it's a box of some of his old stuff up in here, and look what I found. Here they go. That's crazy, man. I mean, after what, 4 years? I mean, you can still tell what they were. After 4 years of wear and tear. That's crazy. But yeah, man, it was a pretty special pair of cleats for me, man. And that's what got everything going with the custom cleats. Cause I did a couple pair before that pair, but because of those cleats right there, it was so like bright and loud. Because I'll pop a picture up of their uniforms or whatever. They had blue. Their uniforms was blue, white, and yellow or whatever. So that uniform that they wore for that game was mostly blue. So the shoes stuck out like a sore thumb, and that's why everybody was in the crowd talking about them. Like, it was so crazy that the coach asked him not to wear them no more because he felt like there was a distraction. Yeah, but we won again to win that state championship. You know, yeah. But yeah, man, that's what got the ball rolling with the custom cleats. Like, folks' parents asked me, teammates, you know what I'm saying, kids from other schools, all this different kind of stuff. Because of those right there, kicked them out. That's why I told y'all, what was the last video? Man, paint your people stuff, man. Get yourself out there. But, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed that. Because I enjoyed showing y'all. I got a lot more to go. I done painted probably thousands of shoes and cleats and whatever. So, I'ma just do this every now and then, man, just to show y'all some of my favorite things that I like that I've done. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? And I'ma catch you.